Hello, Braveheart. You know what time it is? It's time for a quick stretch and snack with ZGALA, Auntie Angel. That's me. As usual, I'm tired. It's about my bedtime. Earlier than my bedtime, really, but I'm feeling a little bit beat, so I'm going to go to bed early. But before I do, let's do some stretches. I like to remind you and me, it doesn't have to take a long time. You don't have to brush your hair or put on any special outfit to check in with yourself. Give yourself a little more love. Let go of some stress. Let all the stresses of today go so you can make room for more stresses tomorrow, I like to say. Also, I like to remind you to follow your own lead. You're welcome to follow me and use me for ideas and prompts. You may find I'm silly. Sometimes I sing my life a little bit. But mostly it's about developing a healthy, consistent, reliable relationship with yourself. That's what I'm here to do for me and hopefully encourage you to do for you. All that said, let's do some shoulder shrugs and deep breathing. Just breathing in. Oh, we got some good snapple crackle pops. Bring up the fists and pull up the pelvic floor. Scrunch your toes and your face if you want. Just tense everything up and then let the arms swing, let the arms hang. I don't know why this is on my mind all of a sudden. And then let's breathe in again, shugging the shoulders up. I got some allergies or sinus infection going on. Just breathing in, holding that, and then just let it go. Shake it off. Shake it to both sides. Shake off the shoulders. Shake out those hands. I've been working at the desk again and at the middle school. I'm double timing it. Let's do one more. Shoulder shrug up. Breathing in, tensing everything up. Holding, tensing up. Whew. I encourage you to try out some different size. Just, again, notice how they feel in your body. Let go of the stress. Also encourage arm waving, arm swinging. I like to alternate left over right and right over left just to keep things even, Steven. Let's do some little hand circles rather. Just checking in with those wrists and hands, the little bones in there. Shake that off. Let's do some shoulder rolls. I can breathe in on the way up. And the other way. I don't know if you can hear that big ka-chunk in there. I'm noticing it. Shake that off. Let's bring one arm across the body. Hold on to it with the other arm. And just, first of all, rotate that shoulder around while it's in that stretch position. Still got that ka-chunk over there. And then try to relax the arm you're holding on to and play around with a few different alignments. You can go low and high. And then try to just wiggle it around while relaxing it for a passive stretch. Still got lots of ka-chunks in there. Let's swing that back a little bit. Don't forget to breathe and smile. All the while, let's bring this other arm across the body. Just hold on to it with the other arm. And then rotate that shoulder around a little bit. And the other way. Again, there's not one right way or one wrong way. It's about listening to your body. Let's bring that across. Maybe up high, maybe down low, in the middle again. And see if you can relax that arm while you move it with the other arm. Swing that one back. I gotta get off these toes because they're talking to me. So let's do just a little bit of a forward fold while I'm halfway there already. Just letting the spine unwind, bending from the hips. Just letting go of the head and neck. You can put your hands on your knees. You can bend them a little bit. You can put your hands on the floor. You can bend your knees for that if you like. And just stay there for as long as it's comfortable, trying to relax the belly, relax the back. Again, you're bending from the hips. Take a few nice deep breaths and heavy sighs there. Just let gravity do some unwinding. Got more snapple cracks there. I'm going to come down into a squat position. I got to move back here so you can see. Keep the heels on the floor. And there's a couple different ways I like to do a squat. One is with knees together. You can actually hug your knees with your hands, or your arms rather, and round the spine if that feels good. Tuck in your chin, stretch in across the shoulder blades. Nice deep breath into the back there. And then another way is I usually make kind of duck feet with the feet out a little bit and bring the elbows on the inside of the knees and bring the hands together. So now you're pressing the knees outwardly. You're still keeping those heels down if you can. I'll try to show you this way. This is a pose that humans used to do all the time for working, and many of us don't do anymore. It's really good for the body. And then I like to hook one shoulder under a knee and do a little twist from here. And then twist the other side, hooking that shoulder under the knee. I'll show you from this way. Again, so keeping both elbows on the knees. I think I said shoulder when I meant elbow. Still pressing the knees apart a little bit. And then rotating. So I'm using this elbow against the knee to press and to twist, get a little torque, and pulling the body forward through the knees, still pressing those heels down. Let's put the hands down on the floor and lift the butt, coming back into that forward fold. Just hanging here, maybe a little bit deeper this time. And then let's bend the knees, swing the arms back, come into a counter stretch. Lifting the eyes, arms, and chest to the sky, pushing the hips forward a little bit. Just a slight back bend if that's comfortable. Again, enjoying a nice heavy sigh there. And bringing all that back down to center. Just gonna shake that out. Do a little free arm swinging and call that a good stretch and snack. It was a short version. As I mentioned, I like to remind you, it doesn't have to take a long time. It can take a long time or a little time. The key is to be consistent. Check in with your body regularly. Let your body know that you care, because it's the one thing you can't live without. While you're at it, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. All that good stuff does really help me out, and thank you if you do. And no matter what else you do, I hope you will stay curious, get more courageous, get more fit, and get more free. Till next time, I'll be seeing ya. Peace.